Oh, it's brilliant. I mean, it's pretty late, and I almost finished uploading the a course of my other channel called Code with Benjamin, especially about iOS development, and I'm required to make a sort of a course image, and I think why just record the process and have a little bit chat with you guys, and yeah, so this video will be recorded and put that to the like doing real life project, okay? Because um, the first time I think that I have to make some course image, my first like instinct would go to some online service like Canvas, something like that, to quickly get things done. But later say, hey, I already got a Photoshop, and the subscription fees are pretty expensive. I have to make full use of it. Okay, so that's the reason I say, well, I'm going to do that myself. Okay, so first, of course, you'll create a file. Um, this will be like a Udemy image, something like that, and you have to got the requirement ready. So pixel is a 750, and height is 322, I believe. Yeah, so we can customize um, pixel, no text. Okay, so all the requirements we got like course image standard. It's like any other courses, any other requirements you have to like go through the official requirements. JPEG, GIF, BMP, PNG dimension, maximum requirements. Yeah, I can make do with the like smallest requirement because I want to quickly get things done. We got a safe area, leave out important information out of this. So safe area mainly in the middle. Be unique, be relevant, be appropriate. Can't use text. So yeah, we have to use like a logo or something. So you can use your company logo or use like me. So maybe just use me, okay? And yeah, color mode, RGB color, that's good. While of course image do not use CMYK, okay? Just pretty standard stuff, I think. Just create this. I can quickly get things done. First, I'm going to import my image. So I got this like profile picture as well as this. So I think this is like a more professional one. This is like a more like a speak man sort of thing. So let's use this. This is much more sincere and with a bit more, representable for me. So model for app. Yeah, so it's like a clip to here. So I can just copy it and just paste it here. So you can got a huge model holding shift. Okay, and I'm going to get rid of this because I'm no longer going to use this model for the app. Can I just okay, I'm going to scale this up a tiny little bit because I want this to, oh my gosh, I'm going to use another mouse. This magic mouse is really hard to use. So I'm going to hold shift, make it smaller, make it approximately here. Okay, so this is like you put the most important thing here. So important thing is me. Okay, maybe put me here, or maybe to this part of the image. Okay, and I am going to fill the background color by maybe using the eyedropper. I use just the gradient to get rid of it. Yeah, pretty bad. That's because this is not like a rough edges. So I have to use, okay, I'm going to hack a little bit. First I'm going to duplicate, just make a group, okay? New group from layers. And I'm going to duplicate this group. I'm going to hide this and flatten it out. Merge visible. Oh. Just flatten it. Can I just flatten? Ooh, it was just a flatten it image. Merge group to one layer. Okay, and I'm going to make the edges here. I'm a digital artist. I can use brush to quickly soften it, make a blend. Okay, I can use a really soft rounded brush and just to blend it myself. Can block in, or I can use some like a brush, mixer brush. Let's just use this brush and see the result. I just use a color picker and that's pretty bad. So opacity too much. Decrease this. Just get it really soft. And I believe that will do the trick. Okay. You still get some of the. So I'm going to blend this a little bit. I use like a smudge tool to quickly smudge it. Crop, or maybe I just crop myself out. So like multiple ways of doing things. Yeah. Okay, I will just quickly get things done. Okay, so I got some here, there, got some here. So just to make a transition, fairly easy one to be honest. Okay, got one here, got one here. Okay, sometimes you don't need all these fancy tricks because I'm a painter. Okay, I can quickly paint things without actually involving all sort of hassle. Okay, so it's like gradual changes. Yeah, pretty good. This maybe just to rough things, just make it like indistinguishable. That'll be good. And oh my gosh, there's like Hugh behind me. It's like a god. Pretty bad. Let's think about something that I can add. So first, I'm going to use color picker to get this color in the color wheel. So I'm going to add some contrast thing here. And oh, by the way, the most important thing, you have to use some logo. You can't use text. So I'm going to ask the GPT for Swift logo. Can I use that commercially in my course thumbnail image? Okay, using Swift logo, thumbnail require caution, trademark, guideline. You have to like get permission. Oh my gosh, it's gray area. So I'm going to just quickly check the Udemy's other people's. Okay, so technically I it's a kind of like a gray area, permission, okay, and branding guidelines, so like a trademark. Best practice: contact Apple, create a custom design, okay, code snippet or icon resembling Swift development theme without copying the logo. Disclaimer: design unique original thumbnail that potential trademark. Yeah, so the safest way is like to do it yourself rather than using other people's, even though it's like a commonly practice. I already checked other people's thumbnail, they are all using it, but just to be safe, I'm not going to use anything other than myself. Okay, so let's say something about coding. Okay, what about I it's a like iOS development, so can I just got an iPhone? I believe I've already got like a multiple iPhone here. Can I just do that by using a simulator shot? I believe it's like a small object or something. Okay, this is just a shot inside of a rectangular shape. iPhone Pro Max. Okay, can I just go this screen and hardware copy it and paste it here, and I'm going to make all this smaller this is a like iOS development. So I'm going to do something like this. Okay. And I'm going to bring it just down a little bit. Or maybe I just move that to the side. And paste some color. So preferably some contrast color. So here, I want approximately here. So can I just use color grouper tool or something? Yeah, I can. So I can't actually use words, so I have to design it myself. That's the tricky part, okay? Oh, I find this official website say that resources, and I believe there's like a material logo. Download Swift logo to use in course material and technical publication related teaching training. Yeah, I'm a teaching, so technically I can actually use it. When promoting use Swift, follow this guideline. Okay, so we got logo and guideline. Yeah, I can actually download this. That's good. Okay, turn out education purpose, I can use it. That's brilliant. So I'm going to use the guideline recommended logo here. Let's just drag it in. Okay, I'm going to just put it here. Swift. That's pretty good. I love it. So let's just zoom it out, and yeah, pretty good. What about I just got all this on hardware a little bit smaller, a little bit, I don't know, upper, and let's talk about another thing. So Swift and Swift UI and iOS development. So what about iOS? Let's look at the official resources. Well, other things like Apple's logo and all that, just to be sure, because just to make it safe, I don't want to use it. Maybe just to use this, or maybe don't use this together. I think that's maybe better this way, just to make this a bigger bird. Okay, maybe just something like this, as simple as that. Yeah, I think this is better, because it's kind of give a hint that I'm already holding a phone. Yeah, I'm going to use this. So yeah, and by the way, if you want to support me and go to my another channel, Coding with William Jamie, or go to Udemy, you can find my course. Okay, thanks, bye.